My name is Hariom Chaudhari. My roll number is 20803016. This is my fourth DIY assignment. So, with the Proteus demonstration, I have made Arduino motor shield. So here in the sample project, I have made some changes in the source code, and then I have compiled the source code successfully. So now I will run the demonstration. So here it is the RPM of the motor is shown here, and the motor is running, and everything is running here fine. So the second project was the demonstration through the node read stimulation. So here I have made a simple water level controller, and a water this is a slider, and another slider is gas pressure controller. So then I have added a gauge water level, and a chart which will show the graphs in bar graph, and deploy it, and then it is shown here. So after moving the slider, the value changes in the gas pressure in the chart, and also here in the gauge. Also, I have added some made some changes setting in the gauge, so that in the range of 0 to 100, the color gradient for 0 to 30 will be green, for 30 to 60 it will be yellow, and for 60 to 100 it will be red. So it is seen here. So till 30 it is green, after 30 it becomes yellow, and after 60 it becomes red. Uh, Thank you.